Meanwhile, a different kind of gathering was underway at Oak Ridge Baptist Church, where the Southern Rural Black Women's Initiative, in collaboration with the Southwest Georgia Project, hosted an informational session on the state of broadband in Georgia. From 9 a.m. to 3 p.m., residents came together to address critical topics surrounding broadband access. Dr. K. Eady, the event's organizer, stressed the significance of broadband access, particularly in rural and underserved communities.
What we do realize that women in rural areas as well as families do not have access to broadband. Therefore, they're not able to compete with the rest of the world in terms of technology. Gotcha. Because they live in rural areas. And so many ISPs do not want to come to those areas because they're not cost effective.
Keynote speaker Kenneth Cutts, alongside speakers from neighboring states Alabama and Mississippi, highlighted the importance of broadband infrastructure in facilitating access to essential services and opportunities. The Institute for Local Self-Reliance provided statistics on data telehealth, underscoring the potential benefits of expanded broadband coverage.